In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make dubstep in Soundation. We'll start by building a solid drum foundation using the sounds already inside Soundation. Open the sound library, and in the search bar type dubstep kick or dubstep snare to pull up tight, punchy one-shots. Click the filter icon next to the search bar and limit results to drums, or jump straight into genre packs like supercharged dubstep so every choice fits the style. Click any result to preview it, and when something hits the vibe, drag it straight into the arrangement area. Place each sample on its own audio track. That makes it much easier to tweak levels and process parts separately without clutter. As you audition, keep an eye on the meters and avoid clipping. Clean gain staging now saves time later. Next, program a basic groove with BeatMaker. Launch the BeatMaker tool inside the studio, then browse the ready-made beats and kits. Choose a heavy EDM or dubstep kit that already delivers punchy kicks and snares. Dubstep typically lives around 140 BPM, so in a 140 BPM project, create a simple halftime pattern. Put your kick on beat 1 and your snare on beat 3. Keep this loop steady so the low end stays tight. You'll add energy later through sound design and fills, but for now, focus on a clean, solid pocket. To get that heavy, chest-thumping character, layer your drums. On two separate tracks, stack a clicky kick with a bassy kick and play them together. Balance the volume so the click gives definition while the bassy layer handles the weight. Make sure their transients line up for a single, unified hit. For the snare, pair your main snare sample with a clap or even a short white noise loop to add width and brightness. Tuck the extra layer under the main snare so it enhances without taking over. Make room for the kick with sidechaining. Add the fakie effect to your bass track and link it to your kick track. Each time the kick hits, fakie briefly lowers the bass, letting the attack punch through while keeping the low end powerful. Adjust the shape so the dip feels musical, not distracting. Finally, refine the mix. Insert a parametric EQ on your snare channel and cut the lows below about 200 Hz so the snare doesn't fight the kick's low end. This simple cleanup tightens the groove and prevents muddiness. With these foundations in place, smart sample choices, a clean beatmaker pattern, purposeful layering, controlled sidechain, and focused EQ, you're ready to sculpt the rest of your dubstep track inside Soundation.